Martina, great having you here. Thank you for volunteering to do this, really. I'm kind of moving around so Christian gets a better view on what you're going to show us. First of all, turning trash into treasure. That sounds kind of, first of all, it gets my attention because treasure is definitely something. But what exactly do you mean by that? How do we do that?
See, Christiane, we are living in an exciting time, and we are scrapping out our planet, we exchange it, and we throw away a lot of plastics, and we have a lot of end-of-life tires. And we use a bunch of new resources instead of recycling and reuse those and make new products out of it.
And I have some symbols here. So you have tires. We're talking also about batteries, and plastic is also part of that. You mean we have to create new products out of that scrap?
Exactly, because we are using resources, and our planet has an end in resources, and we need to come to a circular economy, and we have to reuse, and to recycle it. And this is exactly what we are talking with this exposit here. We are going now in the way to use plastics, tires and batteries in the first step as resource material and develop processes that turn them back into useful raw material.
So talking about the batteries, they were just taken out of my microphone of the sender. How are we going to split that up? What are we doing with these?
You see, they need a certain type of processing. First, you have to discharge them, that they are completely empty. Then you have to do some mechanical steps. And type of pre-processing. And then you can do it in a mechanical way. Just discharge, deassemble it, and take the material out of it. And we are supporting that with our automation technology, with our digitalization and automation portfolio to bring the resources back into the circle. The same we do for plastics and, for example, for tires.
I just had a nail in my tire, so actually I definitely know that I have to, they're nearly brand new, but I have to get new ones.
Well, that's exactly the seam. And then what do you do with the tire, with the end-of-life tire, yeah?
Hopefully the mechanics takes them and I don't have to bring them to the trash point.
Yeah, but then what to do with it? Because it's a high-tech product. There's a lot of useful material in it, and you have to grab out the steel and to use the rubber again. For example, you have to use the carbon black. Have you seen the white tire? No.
No, only at my bicycle, and it was not white for a long time.
Yeah, see, you use carbon black as material to get the black color and as filling material. So, and carbon black is produced using oil and burning it. So, why not reuse the carbon black from the tire? And this is exactly what's coming out of this chemical process called pyrolysis. And you got a gas and oil fraction, which is taken then into the chemical industry. And the carbon black, you can reuse it as black color, for example. We are definitely have to go in a circular economy, and that's one step.
I mean, the aspect of reusing things, bringing it back into life and saving resources is definitely great. How did you figure out which products you want to focus on and which you want to recycle? Is it because of there are high amounts, or is it because you have the know-how and the technologies?
We have the know-how and the technology is developing. And we support a lot of startup companies to realize the right processes. So, and if you look, what scrap do we have? Plastic is definitely everywhere. Yeah. It's in the ocean. There are more plastic in the ocean than fish. It's on the beaches, and microplastic is a very bad thing. And tires, we have a lot of tires, and from time to time you see a fire in the desert. And this was end-of-life tires just going away, and valuable material is gone. Mechanically, we do it for a long time. What we now do is chemical recycling. And chemical recycling means to bring back the products in the chemical structure. So making the building blocks out of it and make a deep polymerization. Yeah. We did a lot of polymerization plants and now we go the vice versa. And this brings back the material into a form that you can use it for new products of same quality.
So I've not been an A student in chemistry, but I guess you were.
No.
But you know how to do that, or you have the right colleagues to do that, or the right tools?
First of all, I have my interest. And this is the big driver. And then everything else you can learn from colleagues, from tools, from supporting. And we at Siemens, we are in a very glad position. We have the tools to develop the processes, we have the tools to develop the plants, and we have the tools to make the best out of it and to optimize it. And this we do with our automation and digitalization technology.
This is how we as Siemens support this whole life recycle.
Yes, this is exactly how we do it. And I'm together with a lot of startup companies, small companies, who are now developing these exciting processes and make our world a little bit less of scrap.
Very nice said, and a very cool project. I really love it, and doing good for the nature, for sustainability. Very, very great.
Doing good for the nature, for sustainability, and good for us, because we have only one planet, and we should save it.
We must save it. That's definitely true. Thank you so much, Martina. Great fun here. Really interesting project. If you want to recycle and learn more about it, this is the lady to talk to. Martina, thank you.
Thank you.